Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to send a buyer request on Fiverr. So at the top side of your screen you're going to see the search bar, and just click on it and just search for what service you are looking for or what service you want. So let's say we're going to search for a logo design. After that you'll see the pricings here, and just go with what you want. Let's try this one. After that, it'll be redirected here, and you'll see the seller's example or creations like this. And on the right side, you'll see their offers. Their basic offer, just $15. Their standard offer, which is $30, and their premium offer, just $50. And of course, this comes with different perks, so it's up to you what you would want to pick. And if you picked what you want, just click on this, see order options, and the gig quantity, also it's up to you. And just go click on that. Let's say we want 2 gigs, click on continue. And you could either pay with your credit or debit cards and with PayPal. After that, if you filled out all these options, just click here and pay. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.